What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Today we went the opposite direction with this 2019 Chevrolet, but before we get into that, here's that housekeeping we always talk about. For those of you returning, make sure to click the bell symbol and the thumbs up. For those of you that are brand new here, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, make sure to click the bell symbol so you don't miss out on any content, and make sure to comment below because it does get it in front of the eyes of people just like you, brand new. Let's get into it, guys.